Hi guys, my name's Katie and I'm here today with SALTA on this beautiful day on the Bank of Ireland in Grand Canal Dock. And we're here today to kind of give you a bit more of an insight into your Junior Cert Spanish exam. As you're probably all aware, the Junior Cert is looming, and it's around this time of the year that people start to get these feelings of stress, panic, fear, and maybe even sometimes a bit of anxiety. Now, so what we're going to do today is try and smash all of those feelings out, and we're going to make you really positive going into your Junior Cert Spanish exam. So we've designed a set of, let's call them hacks for your exam. And what these hacks are going to do are give you full insight into both the exam and the marking scheme. They're going to help you understand a bit more where the examiner and the corrector is coming from. We're going to go through your oral exam, reading comprehensions, and both parts of the written expression section of your Spanish exam, and hopefully help you optimize your marks and get the best possible results in your Junior Cert Spanish. Hope you enjoy.